शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्ट्वा गुंसस्तनूभिः विषेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ आब्रह्मन् ब्राह्मणो ब्रह्मवर्चसि जायताम् आराष्ट्रे राजन्यः शूरेशव्योऽतिव्याधि महारथो जायताम् दोग्ध्रीधेनुः वोढानध्वान् आशुसप्तिः पुरन्धिर्जोषाः जिष्णुरतेष्ठाः सभेयो युवा अस्य यजमानस्य वीरो जायताम् निकामे निकामेनः पर्जन्यो न वर्षतो फलवत्यो न भूषदयः पच्यन्ताम् योगक्षेमो नः कल्पेताम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि वाक्प्राणचक्षुः श्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि सर्वाणि सर्वं ब्रह्मोपनिषदम् माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम् मामा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु अनिराकरणमस्तु अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु तदात्मनिरते य उपनिषत्सु धर्माः ते मयि सन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ तत्सत् नमस्ते
Beautiful.
गुरुजी
Thank you very much. You have joined. So we are in the Taittiriya Samhita, in the Soma Yaga, in the fourth Prapataka of the first Kanda, and we are just trying to offer with the mantras symbolically the Soma cups or Soma libations to respective gods. Around 31, 32 gods are there, which are important, to whom individually we mark their presence, we appreciate their quality mainly, and we are offering them. And moreover, the gods are so nice that they, especially in Homa, in offering their offerings, the moment you call them, they come. The moment you say Swaha, they look and accept it. And Namama, when you say Somaya idam Namama, when you say Namama, it doesn't belong to me, it's over. I disown that, and it's completely belonging to the deity marked. So this is the procedure which we have got to follow in almost all rituals, whether they are small or big, so that the Parameswara, Parameswari, all deities will be very happy, because they're all like elephants. Unless you are very much polite and really meaning it, they don't accept the offerings. So in that spree, we have come up to the fourth Prapataka, where we are offering Samani. And moreover, we have got a category of people who have performed, who are doing that yagna, rich yagna. And those, but Soma Yaga is not easy. And so we have Somapaha, Asomapaha. And those people who have the opportunity or fortune of drinking the Somarasa, and those who are present, but we could not get the share of it. But the Somapaha, Asomapaha, both of them have got judgment, but their markas are also different. Now, we have come up to the extent of offering the Soma libations or cups to Indra Vayu. We have invited him, Indra and Vayu. So, Aindra Vayavagraha, Soma Rishi, and so we asked Vayudeva and described him, who is he, and we have requested him, Upayama Grihitosi Vayavetva. That is 1441. We have offered to Vayu, and then we club Indra and Vayu also ॐ इन्द्रवायू इमे सुताः उपप्रयोभिः आगतम् इन्दवो वां उशन्तिः उपयामगृहीतोऽसि इन्द्रवायुभ्यां त्वेषः ते योनिः येष ते योनिः सजोषाभ्यां त्वा. So Indra, just like in Namakam, in Chamaka, we always associate at one final point. Indra also important. Therefore, Agnischama Indraschame, Somaschama Indraschame, Savitachama Indraschame, so on, and Saraswati Chama Indraschame. So as we list there, marking, there are about 27 deities, and 27 times Indra also is clubbed with all the deities, and therefore there will be going to be an Indra Preeti. We are going to have the Indra satisfied because he happens to be the leader of all the gods. Please, Vasan, would you read 1441 further? Avayo bhusha suchipa.
ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಗುರು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಲೈನ್ ಗುರು ಇದು? ಏ ದೇವ
1441.
ಉಪಯಾಮ ಉಪಯಾಮ
ಗೃಹೀತ.
ಗೃಹೀತೋಸಿ ಇಂದ್ರಾಯ ತ್ವಾ ಬೃಹಸ್ಪತಿ ಗುರು ಇದು.
ಅದಾಗೋಯ್ತು.
ತ್ರಿಗುಂ
ಅದೇ
ತ್ರಿಗುಂ
ಉಪಯಾಮ
ಕ್ಷತ್ರಯಶ್ಚ
ಐಂದ್ರವಾಯವ ಗ್ರಹ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ಇಂದ್ರವಾಯು
1441 ಉಪಾವಾಯೋ. ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ಹಿಮ್. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಹೇಳಿ. ಆವಾಯೋ.
ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇಂದ್ರವಾಯೋ
ಐಂದ್ರವಾಯು. ಸೊ ಓಂ ಆವಾಯೋ ಭೂಷಾ ಶುಚಿಪಾ. ಓಪ
ಆವಾಯೋ
ಭೂಷಾ.
ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಗುರುಜಿ, ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಲೈನ್.
ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಯಾ?
ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ
ಇಂದ್ರವಾಯು
ಗುರುಜಿ, ಲೈನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
ಉಪಯಾಮ ಗೃಹೀತೋ ದ್ವಾಗುಂತಿದೆ ಅದು.
ಉಪಯಾಮ ಗೃಹೀತೋಸಿ ವಾಯವೇತ್ವ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ಹಾ,
ಎಸ್ ಇಂದ್ರವಾ.
ವೈಶ್ವಾನರ ಮೃತಾಯ ಜಾತಮಗ್ನಿಂ ಅದು.
ನೋ.
ಉಪಯಾಮ ಗೃಹೀತೋಸಿ ಇಂದ್ರಾಯ ತ್ವಾ ಬೃಹದ್ವತೆ ವಯಸ್ವತ ಉಕ್ತಾಯವೇ ಯತ್ತ ಇಂದ್ರ ಯಸ್ತೆ ತ್ವಾ ವಿಷ್ಣವೇ ತ್ವೈಷತೆ ಯೋನೀಂದ್ರಾಯ ತೋಕ್ತಾಯವೇ. 13 ಅದು ಗುರುಜಿ.
ತುಂಬಾ 143 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಒನ್ 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 ಒನ್
ಅಲ್ಲಿ 144
144.
ಪ್ರಭುಪಾದ ಕ್ರೋತ್ ಖಂಡಿಗ 4ನೇ ಪ್ರಪಾಠಕ 1ನೇದು. ಇಂದ್ರವಾಯು ಇಮೇ ಸುತಾಃ ಉಪಪ್ರಯೋಭಿಃ ಆಗತಂ.
ಹಾ ಗುರು, ಸಿಕ್ತು ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಉಪ ಇಂದ್ರವಾಯು ಉಪಯಾಮ
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಗೃಹೀತೋಸಿ ವಾಯವೇ ತ್ವೇಂದ್ರವಾಯು ಇಮೇ ಸುತಾಃ ಉಪಪ್ರಯೋಭಿರಾಗತಮಿಂದವೋ ವಾಮುಷಂತಿಃ. ಉಪಯಾಮ ಗೃಹೀತೋಸಿ ಇಂದ್ರವಾಯುಭ್ಯಾಂ ತ್ವೇಷತೆ ಯೋನಿ ಸಜೋಷಾಭ್ಯಾಂ ತ್ವಾ.
ಓಂ ಮೈತ್ರಾವರುಣ ಗ್ರಹ ಸೋಮ ಋಷಿ ಅಯಂ ವಾಂ ಮಿತ್ರಾವರುಣ ಸುತಃ
ಅಯಂ ವಾ ಮಿತ್ರ ವರುಣ ಅಯಂ ವಾ ಮಿತ್ರ ವರುಣ ಸುತ.
ಸೋಮ ವೃತಾವೃಧಾ
ಸೋಮ ಋತಾ ವೃಧಾ ಸೋಮ ಋತಾ ವೃಧಾ
ममेदिह श्रुतगुं हवम्
ममेदिह श्रुतगुं हवम् ममेदिह
उपयाम
श्रुतगुं हवम्
उपयामगृहीतोऽसि
उपयामागृहीतोऽसि उपयामागृहीतोऽसि
मित्रावरुणाभ्यां तु
मित्रावरुणाभ्यां त्वयि
एषते
मित्रावरुणाभ्यां
तु एष
त्वैषते
तु एष बिकास् स्प्लिट्
त्वयि
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಏಷ ಈಸ್
त्वेष
ಏಷತೆ
एषा ते
ಯೋನಿಃ ಹಾ ಏಷತೆ
मित्रावरुणाभ्यां
ಯೋನಿಃ
त्वेषा
ते योनिः
ते योनिर्
ते योनिः
ते योनिर्
यो योनिः
ऋतायुभ्यां
ऋतायुभ्यां
त्वा
त्वा
ऋतायुभ्यां त्वा
Now let us see the meaning of this Indravayu Gruha. What is that? Avayo, look at the word Avayo Bhusha. So, who is this Vayu? He is the Bhusha. Bhusha means Alankara. Bhusha means Abharana. Bhusha means Bhusha is Pranam. That is, as long as the Vayu Sanchara is there, we are all happy. Therefore, Vayu Bhushanam we should be having, that's Bhusha. And moreover, Suchipa. So, Suchipa, he is the protector of the Suchi or purity, sanctity, and everything that Vayu will take care of that. Then Upanaha Sahasram Te Niyuto Visvavara. Another complement for Vayu is said to be Visvavara Sahasram Te Niyutaha. So he can come with a great speed with a large number of horses. And Upate Andhaha Madhyam Ayami. So, Te to you Upayami. What are that? Andhaha Madhyam. So the Somarasa is also having admixture of the admixture of Madhyam and Andha. So there is a preparation method for the Somarasam, and that formula is there described in our Brahmanas. How do you prepare Somarasa and how you can make it more palatable and exhilarating. So all that is being done. So Indravayu, Ime Sutta. Next one you have got Upayama Gruhitosi Vayavetva. So the other one is called Andha Upayami Yasya Deva Dadhishe Purvapeyam. So Deva Vayu Purvapeyam Dadhishe and Vayavetva. Next we are asked to also inviting Indra. Indra Vayu Ime Sutaha. So Vasan, uh, can you continue reading here? Ayam Vam Mitra. No, sorry. We have got to do with this Indravayu Me Sutaha. So Indravayu, these are Sutaha. These are pressed down and kept ready, the Somajasha. And Prayobhihi Upa Agata. Please come near the Soma libation, which is kept marked for you. And more important is, not only I am offering the Somarasa, But I am also, even the Soma Amshavas or even Somarasa is also willing to get into you. That's why here Indavaha Vam Usanti he is indeed, there is no this is truly all the Hindus, all the drops or all the entire liquid of the Somarasa is willing you to reach you. So there is a mutual uh, desire. Therefore, please come accept the Somarasa. That's what. Upayama Gruhitosi. So now Upayama and Gruhitosi Upayama, and for whom Indravayubhyam tu. So this is for the deities Indravayu, Indravayubhyam, and Yeshaha Yonihi Sajoshabhyam Tva. So Yesha Te Yonihi. This is the Yoni means seat. So this is the seat when you are really intending to accept this particular Soma juice. So it is being ardently, with all Vanayam, is being offered to Deva. So Indravayu. And next we have got to talk about the Maitra Varuna Graha and Soma Rishi. In the Mitra and Varuna, that is one combination. As we have seen, Mitra is a day god, Varuna is the night god. So both of them clubbed together, they form Ahoratri. Aha is Mitra, Ratri is the Varuna. So Ahoratri they are going to make. Now the mantra, are you there? Ayamba Mitra Varuna Sutaha. So Maruta
अयं वा मित्रा वरुणा
Ayam Vo Mitra Varuna Sutaha Soma Ruta
अयं
Vrudha
वा मित्रा वरुणा सुता
Soma Ruta Vrudha
सोमरुता सोमरुता वृधा
Mama Mame Iha Srutagum Havam
ममेदिहा श्रुतगुं हवम् ममेदिहा श्रुतगुं हवम्
Ayamagruhitosi
उपयामागृहीतोऽसि उपयामागृहीतोऽसि
Mitra Varunabhyam Tu Yeshate
मित्रवरुणाभ्यां दो एष ते
Yoni
मित्रावरुणाभ्यां दृशते
Yeshate Rutayubhyam Tva
एष ते योनिरृथाभ्यां त्वा एष ते योनिरृथाभ्यां त्वा
So this is again for the Mitra and Varuna, and you are informing Mitra Varuna that Soma Sutaha. Sutaha andre pressed out. So Soma has been pressed out and kept ready, and wonderful juice is ready for you. And what is the kind of benefit that Soma would produce? Ruta Vrudhaha. That is, it is going to enhance your truthfulness or otherwise your regularity in causing the ahoratras. So Ruta and Satyam, they are the two important concepts bound for the all beings in the world, the born. Ruta mostly is applying more seriously applicable for the gods, and Satyam to God, to humans. But Satyam and Rutam both are important for the deities. So Mamodiha. See, iha srutagum havam. So I am here reciting the mantra srutagum havam. Havam means call, the mantrocharana or invitation to call you to that particular cup of wine to come and accept it. So as it is, we are going to change in form Mitra Varuna Abhyam tu. And again, who are these Mitra Varunas? They are responsible for making people, whether gods or otherwise, they, to adhere to the Ruta and Satyam in their own behavior. So Ruta Vrudha means our behavior, namely correct character and conduct, must be in such a manner that it is going to be like that. So I think, Vasan, please keep reading. Give me 4 minutes. I'll come back. So meanwhile,
Yes,
keep
Guruji. Yes, Guruji.
continue reading the next lines. I'll come back in 2-3 minutes. Please.
Yes, Guruji. Yes, Guruji.
Please continue.
यावाङ्कषा मधुमत्यश्विना सोऽनृतावती तया यज्ञं विमिक्षतम् उपयामा गृहीतो अस्य गृहीतो अस्य श्विभ्यां गृहीतो अस्य अश्विभ्यां गृहीतोऽस्य अश्विभ्यां त्वैष ते योनिर्माद्भिभ्यां त्वा प्रातर्युजौ वि मुच्येतामश्विना वेह गच्छताम् अस्य सोमस्य पीतये उपयामा गृहीतो अस्य गृहीतोऽस्य अश्विभ्यां त्वैषते योनिरश्विभ्यां त्वा अयं वेनश्चोदय कृष्णिगर्भ ज्योतिर्जरायुरजसो विमाने इममापागुं सङ्गमे सूर्यस्य शिष्णुर्न विप्रा मतिभिरिहन्ति उपयामा गृहीतोऽसि चण्डायात् एष ते योनि त्वैषते योनि वीरतां पाहि त्वं प्रत्नधा पूर्वता विश्वथे मथा ज्येष्ठताथिं बर्हिषदघं सुवर्विधं प्रतीचं वृधनं दोहसे गिरांशु जयन्तमनुया सुवर्धसे उपयामा गृहीतोऽसि मर्का वैशते योनि प्रजापाहि ये देवा दिव्यैकादशस्थ पृथिव्या मध्येकादश स्था अक्षुषदो महीनैकादशस्थ ते देवा यज्ञमिमं जुषध्वमुपयाम गृहीतो अस्याग्रयाणोऽसि स्वाग्रयणो जिन्मयज्ञपतिमभि सवना पाहि विष्णुस्त्वां पातु विषं त्वं पाहीन्द्रियेणैष ते योनिर्विश्वेभ्यस्त्वा देवेभ्यः त्रिगुंशात्रयश्च गणिनो रुजन्तो दिवगुं रुद्रा पृथिवीं च सचन्ते एकादशासो अप्सुषधा सुतगुं सोमं जुषन्तागुं सवनाय विश्वे उपयामा गृहीतो अस्य ग्रायणासि स्वाघ्रयणो जिन्वा यज्ञम् जिन्मयज्ञपतिमपि सवदा पाहि विष्णुस्त्वां पातु विषं त्वं पाहीन्द्रियेणैष ते योनिर्विश्वेभ्यस्त्वा देवेभ्यः उपयामा गृहीतोऽसीन्द्राय त्वा बृहद्वते वयस्वत उक्तायुवे यत्त इन्द्र बृहद्वयस्तस्मै त्वा विष्णवे वैशते योनिरिन्द्राय तोक्तायुवे उपयामा मूर्धानं दिवो अरतिं पृथिव्या वैश्वानरभृताय जातमग्निम्.
Very nice. Thank you very much that I had to have a break. So Mitra, Varuna are the two deities clubbed. They are called Dvandva deities. So we are informing them that Soma Sutaha, and what kind of Soma it is going, what is the result that Soma would be able to produce? Ruta Avrudha, it is going to increase, enhance the behavioral excellence. And so this is yours, please, and I'm offering that with your mantra, Vedic mantra. I'm calling you that. And so this is for the Mitra Varunas. And who are the Mitra Varunas? They are the Ruta Ayubhyam Tva. And they are responsible. Surya Chandras are responsible for our behavior, conduct, character and conduct. And I think because of them only, the days go, and as the days go, we can gather punyam, reduce papam, and all that. Therefore, we have got that kind of compliment given for Mitra Varuna. Varuna is the night god. She is the king. Now, next one you have got is 1, 4, 6, 6, 7. We have got to talk about the Aswini Grahas. The other day, Aswins are the twins again. Aswins are twins. They are taken to be the sons of Surya Bhagavan, and they are also divine physicians. And so to them, the Somarasa is also being offered. And before we offer, it is customary that we have to describe the greatness or the feature of the deity. And so says Yo. Now the mantra is Ya Vam Kasha Madhumati Asvina Sunrutavati Taya Yagnam Mimikshatam. So Kasha is that whip that they have in their hand, and that whip also is Madhumati. And Sunrutavati. So Sunrutavati, Madhumati are the complements or description of the Kasha that Aswins hold with them, and asking that the Aswins must come and Yagnam Mimikshatam. So you please observe, come to the sacrifice and bless the rite and accept the Somarasa. So Payama Gruhitosi Asvibhyam tu Esha Te Yonihi. So Madhvibhyam Tva. So Tva, you, Madhvibhyam. So whatever is sweet, for that we are offering this. And the next one is and again the second one also, The 1471 also refers to the Ashwini Devatas. Mostly they are two people. So more prominence is being given. Pratar vimucyetham Ashwinav iha gacchatam asya somasya pitaye. So madhvibhyam asya somasya pitaye प्रातर्युजौ विमुच्येताम् अश्विनौ इहा गच्छताम्. See, well, see, you are see observing our Yajurveda language is very simple. Almost it is in the dialogue form, and therefore, but when you go to the department of Rigveda, the mantras are little difficult and difficult to make interpretation or meaning of that. But here also the same, because depending upon a number of factors for interpretation, the meaning will be there. But we are not going deeper. Actually, these mantras are being commented by Bhattavaskara, Sayanacharya, and also other people are there. And for Shukla Veda, we have Mahidhara, Bhuvata. These are all the great commentators who have supplied enough understanding and explanation for the Yajurveda mantras. So here, who are these Ashwini Devatas? Further, they hold always the Kasa with them, and Kasa Varnana was done in the earlier one. Now here they are described to be Pratar Yujaha Vimuchyatham and Ashwinau Ihagachatam. So you come here and accept this Somarasa. And here again the same thing. Asvi upayama tosi asvibhyam tveshate yonihi asvibhyam tva. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ದೇವತೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹೆಸರು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Again they are called Ashwini Devatas. Then in Namakam, Chamakam, Vikamaka, Sukraschame, Manthi Chame, Agrayanaschame, Vaiswadevaschame, Marutvatiyaschame, you understand? So again, all these grahas are being marked here. What is what? What is Sukra Graha? What is Manthi Graha? What is, probably Vasan has read all these mantras. What is that Manthi Graha? And what is that Agrayana Graha? And so on. That means some basic description regarding the mythology of the respective things. So Shukra Graha, for them also Somarushi. So I am reading the mantra. Ayam Venaha Chodayato Prushnigarbha Jyotihi Jarayu Rajaso Vimane Imamapagum Sangame Suryasya Sisum Na Vipro Matibhi Matibhiram Matibhirihanti Upayamagruhitosi Shandayatve Yonihi Varitam Pahi Mantigraha Somarushihi Tam Pratnatha Purvatha Viswathe Viswamatha Jeshtatatim Barhishadagum Suvidam Pratichinam Prujanam Dahase Girasu Jayantam Anuyasu Vardhase. So I think, Vasan, would you repeat these mantras? Ayam Denaha Chodayatu Prusnigarbha Jyoti Jarayu रजसो विमानो इमपागुंसि सङ्गमे सूर्यस्य शिशु न विप्रा
इममपागं सङ्गमे सूर्यस्य शिशुर्न विप्रामतीभिरिहन्ति उपयामा गृहीतोऽसि खण्डाय त्वेष ते योनि वीरतां पाहि
उपयामगृहीतो पाहि where are you read?
the second line sir the last
Hmm?
line last of 9 4 9 last
Naina.
वीरतां
Oh,
पाहि
yeah, correct. Now repeat again. Tam pratnatha purvatha.
अय्य तं
Repeat.
प्रत्नथा पूर्वथा
Visvat, tam
विश्वथे
visvathe, visvathe
विश्वथे
matha.
मथा
Jo,
ज्येष्ठताथिम्
barhishadagum suvidam suvarvidam ज्येष्ठ ज्येष्ठतातिं बहिषदगुं सुवर्विदं प्रतीचीनं वृजनं दोहसे गिरासु जयन्तम् अनुयासु वर्धसे उपयामगृहीतोऽसि उपयामगृहीतोऽसि मर्कायत्वेषते योनिः प्रजाः पाहि. Then we come to the Agrayana Graha, Soma Rushihi. The mantra reads, ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
प्रजां पाहि
ये देवा ये दिव्य एकादश ये दिव्यैकादशस्था ये देवाः दिव्यैकादशस्था अग्रायण ये देवा दिव्यैकादशस्था पृथिव्याम् अधि एकादशस्था अप्सुषदा अप्सुषदो महिनैकादशस्था ते देवा यज्ञमिमं जुषध्वम् उपयामगृहीतोऽसि आग्रायणोऽसि स्वाग्रयणो जिन्वा
स्वाग्रयणो
जिन्वा यज्ञं जिन्वा
जिन्वा
यज्ञपतिं
जिन्वा यज्ञजिन्वा
यज्ञपतिम् अभिसवना
यज्ञपतिमभिसवना यज्ञपतिमभिसवना
पाहि विष्णुः
पाहि विष्णुः पाहि
त्वा
विष्णुः
त्वां पातु
स्वां पातु स्वां पातु
विषत्वं
विषं त्वं विषं
विषत्वं
त्वं
विषं
पाहि
पाहि इन्द्रियेण
इन्द्रियेणैष इन्द्रियेणैष
ते योनिः
ते योनिः ते योनिः
विश्वेभ्यस्त्वा देवे
विश्वे
विश्वेभ्यस्त्वा देवेभ्यः The next graha is Bhratruvya Bhratruvyavata Agrayana Graha. Soma Rushihi Bhratruvyavata Agrayana Graha Soma Rushihi Trigum Satrayascha गणिनो रुदन्तो दिवगुं रुद्धा रुद्राः पृथिवीं च सचन्ते एकादशासो अप्सुषदः सुतगुं सोमं जुषन्तागुं सवनाय विश्वे उपयामगृहीतोऽसि आग्रायणोऽसि स्वगृह्यणोऽसि सुगृह्यणो जिन्वा यज्ञं जिन्वा यज्ञपतिम् अभिसवना पाहि विष्णुः त्वां पातु विषं त्वं पाहि इन्द्रियेणेष ते योनिः विश्वेभ्यस्त्वा देवेभ्यः. You see, at each mantra, the concluding portion, sometimes they are the same, but the concluding request or desire placed, there is a change. So that the yajna, Soma Yaga, has to cover all-round prosperity, all-round health to people, participants, and also the lokas. Therefore, yajnas are performed for the benefit of the all lokas. Therefore, we have this kind of conclusion that asumsi visvebhyastva devebhyaha, and again savanaya visve jusantam, I'm going back, and visvebhyastva devebhyaha. So this kind of uktya, every graha at the end we are doing. Now we shall recite the uktya graha, see ukta, and then dhruva graha, and then because for all these things there are not many mantras to talk about it. Then we have the Vaiswanara graha, then Rutugraha, then we have got we have got the Rutugrahas one by one are being marked like that. Then Vaiswadeva Graha. So anyway, we try to go through the meaning of all these mantras in the next session. And today we'll stop at this point, and we'll continue next Thursday the meaning of all these things, and so that we could see whenever we are trying to plan to offer the Soma juice in the Soma Yaga, Agnishtoma you called it, but Agni and Soma are not that. Soma has got several aspects. So here, when we are offering Soma as the rasa aspect, therefore, we are just trying to describe Soma, rasa, and that as a food offering to the respective gods. So today I'll stop here, and next class I'll continue. And
विद्विषावहैः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ तत्सत् सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु श्रीवासुदेवार्पणमस्तु श्रीवेदपुरुष आशीर्वादोऽस्तु श्रीमातृचरणारविन्दार्पणमस्तु ॐ तत्सत्